My name is Mark Jackson. I'm the Academic Leader for Design here at the University of Wales, Newport, and I'm part of a JISC funded project to look at electronic assessment and how it improves student learning. As part of our jobs over the recent years, we've been expanding our student numbers quite dramatically. That's obviously had an impact on our workloads as members of staff, and certainly on staff morale during assessment weeks, when the sheer quantity of work and administration that staff are dealing with becomes ever expanding. So we're looking this time at ways we can use new technology to improve the student's experience of assessment, using a group of fashion students as a sample group. So over the last few years we've developed a generic kind of assessment model at the school which is used throughout all courses. The problem with it is that staff tend to rely on set statements, which means that they give written feedback about their research, their analysis, the students' development of their core outcome and their understanding and the evaluations. But the language that the staff use is often kind of non-specific and not particularly student-friendly. So we're going to take a sample group of 25 students that have that traditional method and interview them and monitor them, how they respond to that feedback and what it means to them, how it improves their learning and so on. With the other 25 students, we have an agreement that they're going to accept video files this time. So the members of staff are going to assess in the same way, using the same criteria and the same outcomes, but actually give verbal feedback straight to camera in much the same way as I'm doing now, and then post those MPEG files to our VLE to allow students to access their feedback and then respond directly to it. So we're hoping that the staff can pick up on individual characteristics and talk to the individual rather than a generic spreadsheet style system. Discuss student names, make it much more student friendly, and hopefully pick on the progress that students have made during the previous kind of project and during their learning. So over the next 6 weeks we'll see how it goes, and we're going to get feedback from both staff and students.